Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I've got some big news from the auto world that could shake things up in a major way. We're talking about a potential merger between Honda and Nissan. Yeah, you heard that right. Two of Japan's biggest automakers might combine forces. So, what does this mean for you, the car enthusiasts and the auto industry as a whole? Let's break it down. First off, why are Honda and Nissan even considering this move? Well, it all starts with the challenges both companies are facing. The auto industry is undergoing a massive transformation with the shift toward electric vehicles. Both Honda and Nissan need to ramp up their EV game, but it's a costly and complex process. By merging, they could pool their resources and expertise, making it easier to innovate and compete with giants like Tesla and Toyota. Let's talk numbers. Nissan has 3 manufacturing plants in the US, while Honda boasts a whopping 12. This merger could seriously beef up their manufacturing capabilities in the US, which is crucial given the potential impact of tariffs. Remember those proposed 25% tariffs on Mexican imports by Trump? If those go into effect, having a strong US manufacturing footprint becomes even more important. Now, what about Nissan's financial situation? Nissan has been looking for a major long-term investor for a while now. Their collaboration with Renault seems to be on shaky ground, with Renault possibly looking to divest its stake. This merger with Honda could be just the lifeline Nissan needs to stabilize and strengthen its market position. But wait, there's more. These two companies aren't strangers to working together. Back in March 2016, Honda and Nissan teamed up on electric vehicle software and component development, so the idea of merging isn't coming out of nowhere. Of course, there's a lot of speculation. Honda has publicly stated that the merger reports didn't originate from them and Nissan hasn't commented. But a Honda spokesperson did mention they're exploring various possibilities for future collaboration. So, the door is definitely open for something big to happen. Now, let's imagine the possibilities. If Honda and Nissan merge, they could potentially create a powerhouse to rival Toyota. This would shift the market dynamics in a big way, but what if the merger doesn't happen? Both companies would still need to find ways to adapt to the changing landscape, and the impact of tariffs could make things even tougher for them. So what do you think? Is this merger a good idea? How would it change the auto industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe for more updates on this and other big news in the auto world. Until next time, keep those engines running and stay tuned.